on a day one, a rider is going to be introduced to safe handling of a motorcycle, safe moving of a motorcycle, and the basic controls, get them up and moving, up and riding, changing gears. Lots of conversations are going to start to come in once we have those fundamentals, which are going to introduce roadcraft strategies and tactics. And then the remainder of the training, I guess second half of day one, is out on the range, is starting to implement them as best as we can, put them into context in a training area, finishing up day one with a knowledge test, everyone's favourite, I suppose. The feeling for students going through this course, I think, would bring in a lot of nervousness. Even for established riders, off-road riders, feeling like, oh, am I going to be doing everything correctly or not? But it's fine. Our job is to observe for those little things that might be habits for people, or establish really great habits for brand new riders. I think our instructors all deliver across the board fantastic training to be able to give just really great habits, solid habits that do follow the Vic Roads curriculum as well. You can take what you learn from these road bike courses across any kind of bike, any kind of riding, really great habits to carry with you. My advice would be to anyone thinking about joining in on a learner permit course would be to try and relax. It's actually a lot of fun, as well as learning some pretty serious stuff and having some very frank conversations about the reality of road riding, but so much fun is built into it as well. So relaxing, trying to enjoy and get the most out of the course. For a learner course, it's a lot of information, and we like to encourage the riders to, even into the future, to think about training for more advanced riding.